Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon.
Quick strategy, communication, and personality development courses and crash courses. What not to hear now, because they are the latest trend. Anybody you meet, they eat something or the other, and they are so busy in all these things. And when you enter one such class, you're welcomed as though, congratulations for you and for the transformation that you have chosen. And you suddenly feel, have I come to the wrong place? Or is there a miss? Maybe I should have gone to some other class, not this class. Friends, why do we have to get into all these things when we can learn so many things from our own experiences? So today here I am, going to teach you and demonstrate you how you can learn from your own experiences. For example, driving a car. And driving a car is an art, and if you don't know to drive, please learn it. It's the biggest asset you have. First thing, you learn communication skills. Second thing, you learn negotiation skills. And sometimes you learn driving skills too. Anyway, let me start with. I drive cars to my office every day. And every day is a joyful ride. But there are some days when it is a bumpy drive. So many potholes, so many stones and rocks. You tend to drive very carefully. Because back of your mind, my husband shouting, you did this, you did that, you did that. How many times I have to spend for this car? And so you drive very carefully. So what do you learn? You learn to be careful. You learn to own things and be careful about them. To drive safely and safely and see that nothing happens to the car. And second time, when you are actually going to your office, forgetting about a meeting and suddenly realize, oh no, that is a meeting. Then what do? You become a racer. You zoom. You just change the accelerator gear to the third gear and zoom past all the cars. And you become a sports person also. And you get the sense of joy when you actually cross the signal when it just became red. And just look back and see all the vehicles standing there. You have emerged as a winner and you have crossed the signal. And that's where you have learned the timing and time management skills. And you also become a sport because you have sportsmanship. You have passed through everybody. And there are some these days, I say learning phases. So you actually get caught. And then you hone your skills, communication skills, negotiation skills with a cost. See how many things you learn? And there are these days, very good stress buster days. Why? Because suppose you had a fight with your boss or at your home and you're driving your car. You always get one person who's about to hit your car or something. Just stop your car, get down, make the vehicle stop, and all the crashings remove on it. You will be relieved. Don't ask me what happened that time. And you move on. Now you have learned the art of passing the buck. That is my friends. And there are some days when you actually realize how important you are. And those are the days when you are actually driving your car, and in front of you, on the left side, you find a tractor. This right side, you find a lorry without backlights. Now you don't know how you are going to manage to overtake these two vehicles and go to reach your office. And you suddenly, first thing is, you do a planning, a game planning, like how to overtake this. You learn the art of planning. And second thing, you start comparing India with all the other developed countries and think about the politicians and everybody and say that this can happen only in India. And next time I am not going to vote. Let me teach these guys a lesson. And I pass on the message to everybody that don't see, this is a horrible scale. So what you will learn? You learn how important you are to this country, and you have a little patience, and also you learn the art of game planning, moving in a soup. Anyway, there are so many such things, and also you can always show love for the animals every day. You can be a supporter of Maneka Gandhi. Why? Because every day you will meet a cow, a bull, a herd of goats, and anything on the road. Stop it, gently see that nothing happens to them. So, you can exhibit your love for animals also. And last but not least, there are these days when there is a little drizzle and traffic jam has happened. And this is an added advantage, or it's a boon in disguise for you. Because there are no signs of the traffic moving in another half an hour. So do you get upset? You're not supposed to get upset. Because this is a boon in disguise. Why? For three reasons. First reason, you have got a time for yourself. Nobody is going to disturb you. Switch off your mobile phone, switch off your car. And then, secondly, switch on the FM channels. There are so many FM channels that they actually take you to a different world of music. With Hello Bengaluru, welcome to the show. And secondly, you can SMS and answering the stupid questions and win some gift vouchers too. And thirdly, you can show your love by dedicating a song to your loved ones. When you go back home, you will be happy and they'll be happy. And also there are these days when you actually, the climate is perfect, little whistling and the drive is very nice. And then suddenly the car in front of you stops and you apply the brake. The car is not stopping. You know, oh no, what I'm going to do now? And somehow, when you thought everything is lost, the car just stopped, just not hitting it. And then you remember your husband who said that you were supposed to give the car for service last month. See, you learn your family values. And also, you thank God because when you become spiritual. Well, instead of going to all the other classes, just drive your car and you can get so many information and intelligence and planning and everything. It improves your personality like anything. And at the cost of what? Just studying, only for the full cost. Otherwise, nothing. So what you learn, you also get as a bonus, saving money. So next time, when your friend says, have you joined any classes? Just give them a look. They will understand it. And then, you just have to put your car seat belt, sit around it, and then drive to your favorite destination or not so favorite destination, depending on your mood, good or bad. Thank you.